Hello, dear students. This is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. So, dear students, in this class, I am going to explain about operating system. Okay. So, all of you, open chapter 3. Okay. And look at the topic operating system. Okay. Let's start. Dear students, the most important program in a computer, it is a medium to interact with computer and control all the activities and operating system. There are different type of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix. Okay. Let's start, students. Here you can see these all are the features of operating system. Okay, the most important program in a computer, it is a medium to interact with computer and control all the activities. Types of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Here you can see these all are the logos of operating systems. Okay. Linux, Apple, Windows, IBM, Ubuntu, Unix, Android, MS-DOS, Mac OS, Android, BlackBerry. Okay, these all are the operating system, and as you all know, students, Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system. Okay, this is the most popular operating system. Dear students, Windows operating system, it is a GUI based graphical user interface. Okay, GUI is stand for graphical users interface, developed by Microsoft Corporation. First version is Windows. Okay, first version is Windows 1.0. Most popular version of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. And as you all know, students, Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft. Right. Okay. The first version is Windows 1.0 and Microsoft Windows is developed by Microsoft Corporation. Most popular versions of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. These all are the version of Microsoft Windows operating system. Okay, Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation. Okay students, the features of Windows 7 are: it is very attractive, easy to use, support multitasking. Okay, it is a very good operating system. So here you can see students, use of beautiful graphics. As you all know, Microsoft Windows operating system is based on GUI, graphical user interface. We like picture rather than simple text. Easy to use. Dear students, Microsoft Windows operating system, it is very easy to use. We can give command with mouse rather than typing with keyboard. Supports multitasking, means it can perform more than one task. We can type letters in MS Word while enjoying music. Okay, so dear students, these all are the features of Microsoft Windows operating system. It is attractive, easy to use, support multitasking program. Multitasking means you can do your work on the different software at a time. Okay, so dear students, starting Windows start automatically and displays welcome message. The first screen of Windows is called desktop. Desktop contains symbol of application called icon. Just two most important icons are computer and recycle bin. Okay, these are the most important icon, computer and recycle bin. Look here student, this is your desktop. Okay, here you can see icon. This is your desktop. Here you can see icon. These all are the icons. This is computer and recycle bin. This is the taskbar. The long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. So dear students, this is your taskbar and this is a start button. Okay, dear students, using the folder we can access all the folder and file stored in a computer. used for finding, organizing, moving and copying files. Computer, my computer is using this folder. We can access all the folder and files stored in a computer and used for finding, organizing, moving and copying files. And recycle bin, dear student, when we delete any file or folder, it goes to the recycle bin. Okay, understand everyone? When we delete any files and folder, then it goes to recycle bin. So okay students, now the time has gone over.